we got a little action today around my little nuke. I've been seeing them here for a few hours. I don't know if you can see. There's one right there on the ground. But they've been flying around this. And for the first, I mean, I've got a lot of bee activity over here right now. You probably can't see it, but they're checking out my hives. See, there's one landed on that nuke. One right there on that nuke box. They're checking out my hives today. And I haven't done anything to them. They're still, that nuke's got some older comb in it. But that was the lemongrass box. Remember on the challenge? The lemongrass box. So that's the lemongrass box that he's checking out. First time I've had activity. And really, if you can see right there where I dropped it, is where he's checking that out. This box, that the other nuke box they were on, was Swarm Commander. But I had a feeder that I set back here, and they located that today. So they've been all over that feeder and emptied, just about emptied that quart jar out, or a pint, whatever it is, smaller jar, and they're all over. So I went and I put out this other one with pine straw just now. But they're definitely interested in my syrup today. My syrup and my boxes. So that's the first time I've seen that kind of activity, but they've been checking out my hives, and I did put that syrup out for them. So I don't know, we don't have a winner because nobody's moved into anything, but they're really, I wish I knew where they were flying from. But I had set this back here, it's not even in the sun, and I've got flowers in bloom and they're still taking this syrup. They're coming in and out. Someone found it today for sure. They are banging away at that. I filled this up, but they obviously haven't smelled this yet. Maybe I should drip some. Maybe I should dribble a little bit on this brick. I just got buzzed in the head. It's the same stuff. I made it all at the same time. So yeah, they're hitting that today, and they've been checking out these hives. That's a Swarm Commander hive. I don't think anybody's moved in, or maybe flown around, but this is the most activity I've seen. I've never seen any on my syrup before. So that's, he just flew off. They flew off in that direction, over that way. They're flying straight. That's their beeline that way. They're all flying straight back that way. I can see them darting off that direction. So I wonder if there's a hive back that way or what, but they're definitely going that way. Oh, he pooped. I saw him poop. So they're checking it out and they're flying straight back that way through the woods. All of them straight that way. So I'm curious on where they're going there. If it's a wild hive or if somebody has a hive back there. But they've been absolutely destroying this because it was full and nobody was touching it. Maybe some ants, but when they found it, they definitely started taking care of business. Wonder how many's under there. I don't want to disturb them by taking it out. I thought that was pretty cool. Well, one just flew up in our view right there. I wonder. I'm gonna lift it up because that's just me. Whoa, lots of bees. Look at all the bees under there and down there. All right, sorry girls, we'll put you back now. Whoa, that was insane. I dribbled some over there, they're licking that up. That's wild. Taking care of it. They haven't found this other one. This one's got a lot more syrup in it over here. I figured they would for sure try to get down in there, but they're not having it yet. So anyway, I thought that was kind of interesting. They found that syrup water, or the sugar water, but they're still pretty interested in this little nuke right here. There's a couple of them that's just been flying around, and it's been a few hours I've seen them flying around this hive. So who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and we'll have a conclusion to the the swarm commander or the lemongrass. But right now they definitely seem more interested in this little swarm commander box I've got here and the lemongrass. I've seen one on the lemongrass, but